Hello, this is Andy from the SwissVite team. I'm going to show you today how to swap your VITE ERC20 tokens for VITE testnet tokens. So what you will need is, well, of course, VITE ERC20 tokens. You can buy them from OKEx or Bilaxi. These are the two markets with the most liquidity, so I suggest buying them there. You will need the MetaMask extension for a secure login to my Ether wallet, and you will need the tutorial made by the VITE team that you can find on their Medium page. So connect to MetaMask with the Ethereum account where your VITE tokens are stored. Go to the contract tab of my Ether wallet and paste the contract address as explained in the tutorial. Go to the contract page in Etherscan, copy the contract ABI and paste it in my Ether wallet. Click the Access button, and in the Select a Function drop-down list, select the Approve function. In Spender, you need to put the address in the tutorial, and in the value field, you need to put the amount of VITE that you would like to swap, followed by 18 zeros. Now I'm going to use a spreadsheet with a formula where I'm just going to multiply the amount of VITE that I'd like to swap by 10 power 18. So this way we make sure we have the exact number of zeros and we're not swapping too many tokens or too less. The tutorial says that the amount you need to swap should be slightly inferior to the amount you have in your Ethereum account. So this way you can make sure that, well, you're not exceeding the amount that you hold. So in your spreadsheet, you can just type the amount that you'd like to swap, and the formula will add the 18 zeros. Now select MetaMask, click Connect. You might have an extra confirmation step from MetaMask for you to allow the contract. Click Write. Use the automatic gas limit and click Generate Transaction. Yes, I'm sure. Make transaction. Confirm in the MetaMask window. What you can do is also set a higher gas limit, just in case. It might also help to get the transaction processed faster. Wait for the transaction to be validated. So this can take a few minutes. Once this is done, return to my Ether wallet contract section. So now this step is where we bind your VITE address to let the contract know where you should receive your VITE testnet tokens. Copy the ABI section and paste it in my Ether wallet, just like we did previously. Click Access. And this time, instead of the approve function, we're going to use the bind function. Same thing, you select it in the drop-down list. It's bind. Make sure you don't select bind ID. So in VITE address, well, just type your own VITE address. This is where you're going to receive your tokens. Invitation code can be left blank. Click right. Use the automatic gas limit. Generate the transaction. Confirm. Yes, I'm sure. Make transaction. And then confirm in the MetaMask window. Once again, you can increase the automatic gas limit to process the transaction faster. Save and confirm. Wait for the transaction to confirm and verify that the amount you chose to swap has been correctly deducted from your token balance. And well, that's pretty much it. You should be able to see your VITE tokens in your VITE wallet in 10 to 15 minutes. So, well, I hope this was helpful for you. If you still have any question about how to swap your tokens, you can contact the SwissVite team on our Discord or Telegram channel, and we'll be happy to help you further. And of course, don't forget that SwissVite is the supernode that will distribute the most reward out of all the supernodes available. We typically align the reward distribution with the official VITE supernode that gives the most rewards. So in all cases, you'll earn the most rewards by voting for SwissVite.org. Thank you for listening, and well,